Hello everyone. So in today's video we are gonna look at what exactly a new text slicer feature is and what formatting options there are available to play with, and in what scenarios you can take help of the text slicer. So if it is not enabled in your Power BI environment, so you can go here at files and you can go here options and settings, then options. A new window will appear. Wait a minute. Yeah, so from this list select preview features and I can see text slicer visual. If it is not checked in your Power BI environment, then you can check it and then it will restart, and after that you open the Power BI desktop, new text slicer will start appearing here. So you can see I have already enabled that, so let's select. Okay, so this is a by default visual that we are having here. Let's place it somewhere. Just okay. So the scenario that I found interesting is that when we have this kind of data, like where we are having customer surveys or customer reviews, customer feedback, and we want to find some keywords, like search out, suppose I want to find out some bad sentiment words like not, negative, poor, etc., and also I can find out like the positive words, so it will filter out the positive comments of the customers, like extraordinary, exceptional, fantastic, good. So in this scenario we can use text slicer, and however, like we can have so many scenarios as well, but for this video I found it to explain through this scenario. So let's select this, and here it is asking for one field. So field is your column name, so you can give a customer feedback. Okay, so it has a header, feedback, and filter by keyword, and here you can see a little, just a minute, yeah, this little icon which is a apply button. Whenever you type something and then you need to hit enter from the keyboard, or you can click this button as well, this arrow, which will apply the filter or slicer. Okay, so let's try something. Let's try writing poor. Click this. Okay, so here you can see wherever like the poor is appearing, here, here, it has filtered down the records for me. Let's try. So like when I type poor and I hit apply button, then I also have the disable button as well, this cross icon. I can click here, then my my slicer will reset to its original condition. Suppose I want to now filter the word outstanding, like the reviews or the feedbacks where customer has written outstanding. Okay, so here you can see again the records got filtered out. I can click on this cross icon. So in such type of scenario you can use text slicer, and let's explore what formatting options are available. So here you can go here. So visual level formatting, input text, apply button, and input text box. Okay, so let's explore this input text. So placeholder is auto. Let me type something poor. Okay, so this would be my input text poor. Let's increase the size. So here you can see the font size of this poor gets increased. So it means input text is what you will input, like the keyword or the search words you will apply to the slicer, so it will increase the font size of that. Then of course you can make it bold, and you can change the color, like here it's changing. You can also set the transparency. See, like my word is getting lighter. Let's set it to original. Okay, so this is what formatting options we have for input text. Now we also have dismiss button. So dismiss button is this icon, cross icon. Like here I've searched down the records by the word poor, and if I click here, then you can see. Okay, so you can play with that as well. Here it has changed to orange, and you can set the size as well. Let's 40, and you can change the color of this from here, and also again the transparency, icon size, spacing. Then apply text padding, text background, apply text box. So here you can see, if I turn it on, then it is like giving us a box for applied text, and you can also change it. Here I can play with the formatting, and you can set the width as well. So I have set it to 5. Okay, so you can explore other options as well. So this is what we are having for the input text. Now go to the apply button. Let's explore what options we have. So color. So here you can see for apply button, this arrow, we are having the right now some black or gray color. You can change it, and here it has changed to blue, and again you can provide icon size, and you can set the transparency as well for this apply button. Then I have the padding options, so you can set the padding of this apply button. Padding is nothing but the spacing between like here, this is this gap, it is called spacing. Then done with the icon padding. Then you can also set the background for the apply button. Now like currently it is set to white. Let's set it to some other color. Here you can see, you can also give the border to the apply button, and there is a layout option as well where you can set the spacing. Here you can see, if I put it to 12, it just got reduced. Okay, so these are the options we have for the apply button. Input text box, so you can play with that as well. This input text box, this blue colored box. Then background, let's change the color. So you can see I can set the color as well. Let's try something, not this. Yeah, this looks good. Again you can play with the border. Yeah, of course you can like set the width as well. And what is this accent bar? Now it is set to bottom. Let's set it to right and change color to something. I am not sure, like nothing is happening. Accent bar is like here that appears on the edges, I think. So you can play with that and you can explore. So yeah, these options we are having right now. And so suppose like this option in input text, you can provide a placeholder as well. So suppose I click this disable button, so filter by keyword, this is a by default setting. You can change it. Suppose I just click right here search and provide dots. So you can see here like this text is appearing here as well. So placeholder is what you wanna like tell to the user what to do with this particular visual. And if I go to the general setting, then of course the properties that we have for other visual as well, you can turn off the title as well, and effects, again the background and all, and data formatting, header icons. So let's try something. So you can see all the not related filters got filtered. Can click here. Yeah, let's try something excellent. Click the apply button. Okay, so all the records of for excellent word is getting filtered. So yes guys, you can explore other formatting options, and you can include this in your Power BI projects, and can start using this. So this is all about this video. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.